Alright, now we may call on the owner of our I Am Worldwide Business Center, New York, Mentor Eileen Fernando, for our toast ceremony.
Good evening, everyone. I'm so sorry, my voice is really sexy because I'm working so hard. See, to hear is to believe, right? So thank you so much for those people who run 26 miles para lang hindi ma-miss ang event na to because of that marathon. And I'm one of them too, na nag-run. Para lang hindi ko ma-miss to. So thank you so much sa lahat ng committees na nag-participate para maging successful ang event na to. And also sa mga guests natin sa 50 states na umattend para lang masaksihan nila ang soft opening ng ating IBC USA. And also sa mga special person na nagpunta dito, nag-travel pa from Philippines, and most of all, sa ating BODs na talagang naggawa ng ganitong company para maraming matulungang tao, hindi lang sa health and also opportunity. And another most of all, sa New York Rockets. New York Rockets, without you guys, I cannot be an Emerald. And Emerald is a first position para magkaroon ng first requirements para magkaroon tayo ng IBC dito sa US. And with that said, please raise your glass because this is the first time na magkakaroon tayo ng IBC USA at dito sa Amerika. Please support our IBC kasi mas marami tayong matutulungan. Ito nga yung sinasabi natin na hindi lang basta pera-pera. Di ba masaya ka pag marami kang natutulungan tao? Masaya ka pagka maraming gumagaling na may mga karamdaman? Di ba? Yun ang unang intention ko because I am a single mom. I am so busy. I don't have intention to put another job on my shoulder. Pero ginawa ko to, at hindi lang basta ginawa ko to, itinuloy-tuloy ko na hanggang ngayon,